Good Sunday to everyone. Tomorrow is St. Patty's Day. It got cold last night, so we moved all the plants in side of our shop. Other than we left the cold crops out here, and it's nice and toasty in here right now. And these guys are going to be going out in the field today. Which is the what's the cauliflower out here? Which one's the cauliflower?
The half of one.
Okay.
And then
one more.
Another one, yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, so you're gonna get those planted, and then I'm gonna start.
Well, I'm gonna finish the row.
No, you're gonna finish the row.
And then we're gonna do a row of each of the other ones, and then we can do a combination row of whatever.
Of whatever's left, yeah. And what was the temp?
We are at 77 right now.
And what was the?
It went down to 22 according to this.
Yeah, I tell you, it's.
It got colder than what they said it was going to be.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of this is based upon kind of a. They'll say like it's at an airport is where they're projecting it, but you don't know. I mean, but a lot of these are in a city where it's going to be warmer than the country, and we're actually up on a hill versus a low spot. So anyway, we got a lot. We're talking about, we have a lot going on right now. I think we ought to open this up just a crack in here to give it.
Snugly warm.
I know you're snugly warm, but we're going to go over there and feed the cows. Let's go and do that, and let's get that done.
Just about to.
Yates.
Look at that. Oreos. Oh, they're both waiting for us.
Yep, there they are. They know
They're both waiting for us.
They know the game.
Hey, Oreo. Hey, Lily.
You guys drank quite a bit of water from yesterday. Had a little ice on the dog bowl.
You have it on, right?
Come on through. I'll get them some hay first. I'm gonna see if she'll eat from her hand.
Who wants some? Who wants some? Come on. Come on. Here you go. I know you want some. See that noise? That means food. That means food. Somebody wants some? Come on.
Cookie's already got a mouthful.
Come on, baby. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. That was close. She sniffed my fingers again. You missed it. Come on.
Are you coming here? You want to take it from my hand? Neither one of you want to take it from my hand. You just want me to go ahead and do this. All right, you better get here with the feed fast. They think that the two of them are 1 and 1. I put it more up high. Or you'll end up down low on its own.
Just putting some handfuls.
Good old Cookie.
Cookie, you want some?
Look at that.
Well, I got her right up to my fingertips again. Muncha, muncha, muncha. Cookie's got white eyelashes.
Yep.
There's the next internet superstars.
Yep. Oh, Cookie.
Come on, baby.
Oh, I came into the picture. It's all right. She got to get used to me, too.
Come on, baby. Go in there.
So this is all about just getting them used to us and comfortable and with their surroundings and all that. That's what this is all about. It's not about feeding them. They got plenty of hay they could eat on their own and all that, but it is a race to get to the goodies, though, ain't it, Delia?
Mm-hmm.
It's like,
More on this side.
I'll be honest, yep. They don't want to eat that hay to get to it, though. Well, we're just letting our grass come back in our pasture right now. A couple more weeks anyway, I think, and then we'll get them out of here. But we need our grass to get up there, and I need to get up the electric fence program. We got to get that kind of set up so we can limit their amount of travel. In the spring, it isn't too hard with the grass going to be growing so quickly. So, I mean, if they come over and I don't have the electric fence up, it's not a big deal, but it's easier to do it with the calves not in there. That'd be for sure. So, yeah. Let me go over here and check the water. We filled it up yesterday, and they're still good. But yeah, I got a little frost on it, but they've drank quite a bit of that down. So everybody's eating. Everybody's going. Well, Delia, we got a lot to do, so we'll keep on going, but got the calves fed. Okay, we bought 500 foot of row fabric, row cover, and we have a 100-foot row, so we have it all marked out. And so we're cutting this in 100-foot sections. Thought that was the most cost-efficient way of buying row fabric. There is my stake in the ground. You may not see it, but it's there. Almost there. Boom. Got it on the stake. Pull against me. Yep. There you go. So Delia's going to cut them. And we'll get this done. She has that marked. Yep.
Take the herb trays out.
Are they,
or should I leave them
there? That one, let's take that
this one and
yeah,
this
let's
one.
take them out.
I mean, there's only one left.
Because they're getting leggy already. Yeah. Oh, well, okay, you can take that, put that in there, and there's only one tray left, right?
There's two.
Okay, well,
There's one that has a little bit of growth. This one definitely has enough growth. This one is just starting to come up.
That one can sit here for a day. It ain't hurting nothing right now.
That one there.
There you go. All right, you carry that one. All right. Here, I'll hold it. Tape it up.
Hopefully that'll hold.
All right, yep. Okay, the last of the plants going out to the high tunnel. Go ahead.
Rosemary, nothing in rosemary. I never had luck with that one last
She
time
has
either.
been a real pain, ain't she?
Rosemary, yeah.
Get it, get it, get it. All right, heading out. So it got cold last night, and we knew it was going to get cold. Even though this isn't very fun, our high tunnel is not heated, but it's going to be in the 40s a night. So everything we're taking out tonight can stay out there. So we're basically, as you saw, we have only one tray that's actually just starting to come up. We'll leave them there. Probably tomorrow we might take them back out. I don't know. But the plants do a lot better under the microscope of the solar plastic, I guess. And they do wonderful out here. As a matter of fact, this bunch can just stay in the wagon.
No, we need it for the sandbags.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll take them off of here then.
And then those getting water, so they're going on.
But yeah, you're gonna water. But yeah, look at how nice everything is right now. So a lot of these are going out. It's amazing how far you've come, Delia. You've come a long ways, girl. Ain't that the old camel? Oh, that's you'll walk a mile for a camel. It's slim. Virginia 100s or something. You've come a long ways. Remember the old cigarette commercial?
Women, yeah. And that one I want on the back table.
Okay.
I'll get it.
Nope. This is something that us and the audience can do. Going to the back table. Clear off one to the right. Yep. I'll slide it in right there. There we go.
Those are all the herbs.
Yeah. Herbs. See how spindly those are. Not that
No,
is that thyme?
That's the dill.
That's dill.
And it
gets
grows like that. The
Yeah.
thyme, and that's cilantro, the other long skinny one over there. Where is the thyme? Maybe thyme hasn't come up yet.
I don't know. Let's turn that around so we can see the numbers.
I think the thyme is over here.
Okay, yeah, that would help us. There's thyme. Yeah, it's coming up. Thyme, what's that? Cumin? Got one.
Yeah.
Got basil.
Oh, we got more.
That one needs
Dill.
wet down there
Yeah,
in that
I'm gonna
end.
get them.
That's
Yeah.
dry. Other than that, we're doing really good. It's really, really good. Garlic up than what we thought that was going to come up. So the ones that didn't pop up last year are indeed popping up now. So that's good. I'm going to plant red cabbage right here. Delia is finishing up the cauliflower row and doing that. So I'm just going to kind of emulate her. So of what the game plan is. And do two rows of that. Oh, I forgot my planner. I have to go down and get it. I'm going to take the ink pen on the bottom here and kind of poke these out. Go row by row. That's enough poked out. And we have that, and I have water, and this looks like about where I'm going to start. So I'm just going to kind of wedge out a little hole here and put in a red cabbage. I'm going to pour some water in it and smush it together again. Yep, it don't take a lot. And that'll help suck that root system right on in. And then we're going diagonal, sliding on down. I think that's okay right there. Hey Delia, yeah. This is such a wide row for that red cabbage. It's kind of a smaller plant. Do you think we can get away with 3 rows here?
It's up to you.
I think I'm going to try it.
Okay.
I'm going to just go ahead and put one here in the middle and 2 across from one another. They're not a big. They're not as big, right?
No.
The reds don't get as big. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 2 across, 1 in the middle,
Okay.
2 across.
So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
With the red.
Okay.
Just the red. I think the greens get big.
Yeah, the greens do get big.
But I think the reds they you know, you have another tray of red too in there?
No, because these have 128 per tray.
Okay. There's a lot of them.
Right.
Okay. All right. Well, that's what we're going to do.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
That's what I'm going to do. And then, and later on, you can say, I told you that wasn't right. All right. But I got you guys telling me she was in on it. Pour some water in. Smush it all together. There we go. And so now I'm going to go in here and plant another one. Yeah, the reds just don't get as big. And I tell you, we have enough of them. So I'll move on down. Moving on down. And we'll go again. We're reusing this plastic this year. We're trying it. We try not to be, you know, a lot of the plastic is commonly pulled up and everything, but where we can, we're going to try to reuse it and do our very best. And we'll put another one in. There we go. Push that in and a drop. Give it some water. Suck them roots on in. All right. Going good. Well, we didn't get quite as far along as we wanted to, but we did get our broccoli planted in here. I'm sorry, red cabbage in here. And we're also laying down woven fabric between the rows. A sandbag goes over the top of a sod staple, holding that down. And but we got our cauliflower, got broccoli planted, and our garlic is coming up really nice. We're reusing these rows from last year to try to not go through the plastic, you know, try to be a little bit good about it. And Delia's just adjusting the fabric. It survived a 43 mile an hour sustained winds, and I don't know, around, you know, 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts. But and this was hours of sustained wind, so it's pretty impressive how these row covers and hoops, but it does require a lot of sandbags, don't it, Delia? Yeah. So we all, even coming out to look to make sure they didn't. Yeah, we even had to come out and do a little adjusting. And down here on this end, I got a stake on each end, and I wrapped around a zip tie to hold the fabric in place. So we have a taunt on each end. And anyway, we're done for the night, and hope you guys have a great St. Patty's Day tomorrow. But yeah, good day today.